Hi everyone, it's Ms. Vigil. I am making a tutorial on how to make a line graph for Google Sheets. So yet again, I'm still using that same data set. I am in one of my classes. There's a folder with an agenda. When I go into the folder, there are some data sets. So I'm looking for the relevant data set for whatever assignment I am working on. So once I have those data sets pulled up, this one, if you remember from my last video, this is for bar graphs. This one is for line graphs. So we are making a line graph today using Google Sheets. So up here I have my Cherry Creek open, which would get me to my Google Drive. So when I'm in my Google Drive, I need to create a new Google Sheets. So I come over here and I open plus and I go to Google Sheets. So if you notice, I also have a blank Google Doc open. You would do that the same way. You would do new Google Docs and it would open over here. So in my spreadsheet, I'm going to take the data set from over here and I am going to steal the dates and the title. Oh, it's trying to steal everything, which is okay. We can take it all as well. And I copy by using Control-C. I go into the Google spreadsheet and I Control-V. So again, since these did not transfer into separate cells, I need to organize them really quickly. So you get to watch me type, you get to see me come over here and delete some stuff. This is how I truly, really do this. And it's like if I was taking all of your grades. These grades are going to become a line graph because they are connected to each other. If you look, as time went by, as the date went by, my grade got higher. They are connected by time. So they are going to transfer. So I am going to steal all this. I put a blue box around it. I highlighted it. If you remember, there is an insert chart button right here. So when I click on it, it's going to make some, oh, it already knew it was a line graph. It took my titles, grade, and date. And if you look as the date goes by, my grade went up. This is not a scientific title. So it says grade versus date. So over here, under customize, it says chart title. And we're going to change this. We are going to put the effect of time, in this case it was a date, on grade. Okay, so that was my chart title. Then I go to my horizontal. This is going to be the date. We are measuring time. So we'll put time as measured by date. So we put date in parentheses. And then over there for my vertical or my y-axis, we have grade and it's measured by percent. And you can actually just put in the percent sign. So again, we have a title, T for title, U, units. Okay, so in parentheses, I have percent, I have date, I have L, labels. I have I, intervals. On the side, it gave me the intervals. And P, it plotted it for me. This graph is completely tulipped. So I can grab this graph and I can copy it, Control-C, and I go over to my Google Doc and I Control-V. I'm going to paste it unlinked and the whole graph shows up. I would go back to Schoology and submit this on an assignment, or I would attach it to an assignment so that it's submitted. But that is how you make a bar graph. Super easy, super quick. Have a great day.